Good morning, my senior creative kids. I'm so glad you all are here today. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead. I am Nancy ma'am, and today we will be learning a new digraph in English. So kids, in your previous session, y'all had learned a new sound. Do y'all remember which is that? Yes, the double O words. Double O words. Sound of double O is O. Let's revise them once again. O words. As you are aware that double O words have two different sounds, short and long. Let's revise the short sound words first. C double O K. Cook. K O K. Cook. B double O K. Book. B O K. Book. P double O L. Pool. P O L. Pool. Now let's revise the long sound words. M double O N. Moon. M U N. Moon. S P double O N. Spoon. Sp N. Spoon. Now kids, today we shall learn a new set of sound using letter O and letter W. Which letters? Letter O and letter W. When letter O and letter W come together, it creates a new sound. That is O. Let's learn these set of words through their images. The first image is of a crow, a black color bird. It is also known as the cleverest bird. It has a long and strong beak. यह है कौवा. C R O W. Crow. O. Crow. In the next image, the boy is falling down. The word is down. Down का मतलब है नीचे. D O W N. Down. Next word is bow. Bow is a type of knot used to tie together mainly for gift wrapping as a decoration. B-O. Bow. B-O-W. Bow. In the next image, the boy is blowing bubbles. Can you see that? Blow matlab फूंक मारना. O. Blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. The next image is crown. Crown is specially made for the king and the queens. Crown का मतलब है मुकुट. Crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. Now children, we have learned letter O, W words orally. The sound of O-W is O. I repeat, O. Repeat after me. O. Let's write the same words in our English notebooks. In your English notebook, make 4 columns. We'll start with today's date first. That is 7.10.20. Now leave 2 finger space and write small o W
Again leave one finger space. Words W, O, R, D, S, O, W words. The first word is crow. From touching the first blue line to the second blue line, C. From the first blue line, straight line, go up and a curve, R. From the first line, C curve again, back, O. Slanting line down, up, W. That is crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Next word is down. Make a straight line from the red line to the second blue line. Go up and a curve D. Again blue line to blue line O. Slanting line down, up, W. And a straight line. Go up and a curve down back again. That is N. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. Next word is bow. From red line to the second blue line, straight line, go up and a curve B. From blue line to blue line, O. From blue line, make a slanting line down, up, W. This is bow. B-O-W. Bow. Next we have blow. From red line to blue line, straight line, go up and a curve B. From red line to second blue line, straight line L. Blue line to blue line O. And slanting line down, up, W. This is blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. And the last word is crown. Blue line to blue line C. From blue line, straight line, go up and a curve R. From blue line, make a O and a slanting line down, up, W. And a straight line and a curve back N. That is crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. Let's repeat. C-R-O-W. Crow. Crow. A black color bird. Crow matlab kawa. Next word. D-O-W-N. Down. Down का मतलब है नीचे. Bow. B-O-W. Bow is a type of knot used to tie together, mainly for gift wrapping as a decoration. B-O. Bow. Next is blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. Blow का मतलब है फूंक मारना. Blow. Blow. Next, crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. Crown is specially made for the king and the queens. Crown का मतलब है मुकुट. Do write these words 4 times in the same formation and also practice learning.
I hope you all have heard the entire session carefully. Do revise and practice writing these 5 words with spellings. I shall see you in the next session. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.